Local news for Friday the 23rd of August. Farm sales have been quiet across Wairarapa, with data released by the Real Estate Institute of New Zealand showing there were 102 less farm sales, down 25.7% across Aotearoa. That's for the 3 months ended July 2019 and for the same period last year. BNZ Scam Savvy sessions will be held to help Kiwis be safer online, with Wairarapa staff set to conduct sessions with rural customers and organisations. Thousands of BNZ staff will hit the road next week, taking to malls, libraries, rest homes and RSAs and visiting community groups as well as businesses to help New Zealanders be safer online and avoid being scammed. The King John Theatre Company will head away to the regional Lower North Island finals of Theatrefest this weekend, held in Pahiatua. Their play Hoodie earlier this month won Best Youth Play in Wellington, and if successful on Sunday, they'll repeat last year's accolades and head to the national finals in September. And in sport, a big day of rugby tomorrow at Trust House Memorial Park, with the Farriers Wairarapa Bush set to take on Wanganui in the opening Mighty 10 Heartland match. The development side are also there with kick-off against Wanganui as well at 12:30, so let's pack the park. For Wairarapa Local News and Sport, I'm Brent Gare.